Jai Hind students, nowadays your practical exam going on and practical exam कुछ जगह हो गए हैं, कुछ जगह होने वाले हैं. So these are the important questions for practical exam. Question 1. What is formula of more salt and potash alum? So look, more salt formula FeSO4 dot NH4 whole twice SO4 dot 6H2 means ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate dot 6H2. It is formula of Morse salt. And formula of potash alum K2SO4 potassium sulfate Al2SO4 whole thrice aluminum sulfate dot 24H2. Examiner generally asks these questions. What is double salt? Double salt means salt prepared by combination of two salts. This more salt is double salt. Potash alum is double salt. Difference between the double salt and complex compound. In double salt, when double salt dissolve in water, it gives ferrous ion, sulfate ion, ammonium ion, individual ions. Double salt gives individual ion, but complex compound does not give individual ion. For example, K4 FeCN6. When this dissolve in water, it ionized in such a way 4K positive plus FeCN6 4 negative. So it does not give individual ion of iron or cyanide. Okay. Now next question. Why are crystals of more salt washed with alcohol? When we prepare crystal of more salt, we use sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid stick on the crystal of more salt. So to remove the sulfuric acid, we wash the crystal of more salt. Why dilute sulfuric acid added to ferrous sulfate crystal while dissolving them? Yes, dilute sulfuric acid added to more salt to prevent hydrolysis of more salt. To prevent hydrolysis of more salt. What are the shape of more salt crystals and potash alum crystals? More salt crystal shape are monoclinic, and potash alum crystal shape octahedral. Define molarity and mole fraction. You know very well these terms. You have studied in theory also. So what is molarity? Molarity means number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Molarity, number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kilogram of solvent. Mole fraction, number of moles of solute and number of moles of solvent, ratio between the number of moles of solute and solvent. You know very well about these terms. What is the standard solution? Standard solution are those solutions whose strength we know. We know these strength known as standard solution. For example, when we titrate more salt with KMnO4 solution. So A, you are provided 20 m by 20 more salt solution and titrated it with KMnO4 and know the strength of KMnO4. So KMnO4 की strength हमको पता करनी है, but more salt की strength हमको given है m by 20 solution of more salt. So this type of titration, more salt is a standard solution because we know the m by 20 more salt solution. So standard solution are those solutions whose strength we know. What is titration? Titration means the one solution like KMnO4 filled in burette and more salt solution or oxalic acid solution we take in a conical flask and titrate it to know the strength of KMnO4 solution. So that process is known as the titration. What is end point? End point means when we use the more salt or oxalic acid with KMnO4 in titration, just complete the reaction. It is a stage. It is a stage. End point is a stage. That stage just complete the reaction. When we use oxalic acid with KMnO4 in titration, so what is the end point? How can we know the end point? So end point in this titration, colorless to pink. When this is conical flask, and in this conical flask drop wise KMnO4, here is oxalic acid. When we add KMnO4, so first KMnO4 colorless, when colorless to pink, colorless to light pink, it is end point. What is indicator used in KMnO4 titration? In KMnO4 titration, KMnO4 is a self indicator. Why is more salt preferred as primary standard over ferrous sulfate in volumetric analysis? Listen, if we take ferrous sulfate instead of more salt, because we see in this titration only ferrous sulfate used in the reaction, but we take more salt. Why is it so? Because ferrous sulfate easily oxidized with atmospheric oxygen. So prevent the oxidation, we used more salt instead of ferrous sulfate solution. Why? Because more salt is a stable solution. Why should you heat the oxalic acid solution to about 60 to 70 before titrating with KMnO4 solution? Because this reaction is very slow reaction. So give heat. When we heat 60 to 70, it catalyzed the reaction. Heat catalyzed the reaction autocatalysis. So reaction speed up. Reaction speeds हो जाती है, जल्दी हो जाती है. If we heat above the 70 degree centigrade, what will happen? अगर हमने 70 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड से ज्यादा हीट कर दिया तब क्या होगा? तब ऑक्सैलिक एसिड डिकम्पोज इनटू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. So we should heat till 60 to 70 degree centigrade. But why? How can we know 60 to 70 degree centigrade? हम कोई थर्मामीटर लगा के थोड़ी देखेंगे. Listen, जब हम हीट कर रहे होते हैं तो हम कॉनिकल फ्लास्क लेते हैं और उसको अपनी पाम पर इस तरह से टच करके देखते रहते हैं कि वो जब तक वेरिएबल है तब तक वी कैन से 60 to 70 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर. Why is ferrous sulfate or more salt solution never heated in KMnO4 titration? सॉल्यूशन या मोर सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन को KMnO4 सॉल्यूशन में टाइट्रेट करेंगे तो हीट करेंगे तो ये ऑक्सीडाइज्ड हो जाएगा. इट इज ऑक्सीडाइज्ड. Can we use HCl instead of dilute H2SO4 in KMnO4 titration? No, because HCl easily oxidized in the KMnO4 solution. So we cannot use HCl instead of H2SO4. Why is it essential to add dilute H2SO4 in titration involving KMnO4 and ferrous sulfate or more salt or oxalic acid? Listen, because hydrogen ion from acid used in the titration, just listen, look at here, KMnO4 negative, hydrogen ion plus 5 electron, 8 hydrogen ion, it decomposes into Mn 2 positive plus 4H2. Yes, in this reaction we observe hydrogen ion utilized in the reaction. So these are the 15 questions. So So student, learn these questions for Viva.